Well, hello. This is going to be kind of different today. Someone gave me this cubed ham. Oh, and I can use that coupon if I want to buy more. Between that and the spinach, I wanted to make a pork spinach stir fry. Well, I keep this on medium high. I'm going to add the ham, but not a lot of the juice. I don't want to overcook it, but I do want to put a nice glaze on it. Of course, I'm using some sweet chili sauce from Chang's. The ham's already cooked. I just want to thoroughly heat it and get a lot of that sauce in there. I'm going to put this in the oven and I'm going to do my vegetables. Of course, I want to use my pepper and onion blend. And of course, I have to add a jalapeno. Now, if you keep the seeds out of it, it's not as hot. I like the flavor and I like the heat too. But if you put the seeds in there as well, it's going to be super hot. I like to add extra onion. Now I want it to all get softened before I add my frozen cut leaf spinach. It cooks super fast, so I like to leave it frozen and let it just thaw in the pan as I'm cooking. I like to add a little pure sesame seed oil. Now I made the rice about 6 hours ago and refrigerated it so that it won't suck up too much of the oil. That's brown rice. Then we're going to put in my ham that I've already made, kept warm in the oven. And now I get to plate it. I love the color combination. I gotta put some sweet chili sauce from Panda Express over the top for a garnish. Oh, that's looking really good to me. Oh, I love the flavor combination. Oh yeah, that's definitely a do again. I'm gonna do this again with egg instead of meat. I think it would be fabulous. Well, that's all I had for you today. You have a lovely day, and you know I will as well. I'm about to get full, and I will be talking to you later. Bye.